Alright, my neighbor was leaving, and so there's a lot of noise there, and now, so I moved the camera in. Anyhow, this is the Benz R18, and it's got a wobbly fuel tank there, so this throttle lever makes the tank move. There's a little intake elbow here that does the moving though, so that seems good. If you've seen other videos about this engine, the intake valve is a slide valve here, but the exhaust valve under here is a tappet, or is a poppet valve rather. So, and it looks like there is no valve clearance in here. So I'm gonna have to check and see if this doesn't run. I'm gonna have to take this apart and get in there to get some valve clearance there, because it looks like the bolt they're using to push the exhaust valve is hitting the muffler, so it's a bit long if there's going to be any clearance on that valve. But we'll see if it runs first and then find out what kind of modifications we have to do for it. But it looks really cool. And it's got, you know, all the features that make me excited about an old engine. So they've got the cam here, and the cam pushes this lever for the exhaust valve, but the intake slide valve is bolted here to the cam and has this rod driving it. So it's positive. It's got a positive drive to slide the valve back and forth. So, yeah, we'll fuel this up and see if we can get it to run. The thing about slide valves is they don't seal real well, so there's not usually a ton of compression in these slide valve engines. So it can be hard to feel if they're losing it. But yeah, we'll be back after I get some batteries and fuel in it.